Hi everyone, Dr. Ann Sylvestre here. And you might have guessed that with my last name, Sylvestre, I really have a thing for cats. I love cats. I could be one of those crazy old cat ladies. I'm not yet. But I always think it's really sad when a cat is euthanized because it's blocked and it's the second time that it's blocked and there's a money issue. Cats really don't seem to manage their money very well. There's never anything in their bank accounts, unlike the dogs, right? So it's just a little more difficult to manage cats. And a lot of them just don't get to see a surgeon or a specialist. So it's in your hands to help as many of them as possible. And I know the perineal urethrostomy is a scary kind of procedure, but when you know how to do it, it's not that bad, and its prognosis is very good. But most importantly, it can and will save a cat's life. And that's why I felt it was really important that I take my perineal urethrostomy hands-on workshop and figure out how to turn it into a virtual workshop, meaning giving you a little bit more information so that it's a standalone entity and you have what you need to be able to go and do the surgery and help the animal as best as you can. Let's try to save a few more cat lives. I think urethral obstruction is just a horrible way to die. Let's try a few PUs, huh?